Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel today. So in this video, it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to have a special guest to make this meal. So let's see who that is. And please welcome... No, cut it. No. It's Kitty! So this is Kitty, she's my sister, and she wants to share with you today her favourite soup recipe. So let's find out what that recipe is.
So this is a Tuscan butter bean soup recipe and it takes about 30 minutes to make.
Oh, very good. So this recipe, she's designed it to be super simple and easy and to have loads of nutrients packed into it. So shall we get on with the ingredients?
Let's go.
Let's have a look. So what do we need?
1 medium onion.
Okay, so white onion.
2 thin carrots.
2 thin carrots.
Because you don't want fat circles in your soup, you want thin circles.
Okay. And
3 garlics.
So we've got 3 garlics.
And parsley, sage.
So we're coming on to the herbs now. So can you use fresh herbs?
Yes,
or,
you can.
Okay, so fresh or dried. So parsley, sage,
basil,
oregano,
and thyme.
Perfect.
In
So
order of quantity.
and the next ingredient,
sun-dried tomatoes.
so sun-dried tomatoes. So in oil. Is that
In
important?
oil. Butter beans.
Do you like cook your own off, or do they have to come in a jar? Like
In a jar. It's quick and easy. A handful of kale.
okay. So we have some fresh kale picked from the garden.
750 millilitres of milk.
So we're going to use soya milk. Can they use any other types, or have you just only tried
I've
soya?
only used soy. 1 cup of water.
Boiling water, I take it?
Boiling water.
To make it quick.
And then these 3 items here.
So 1 stock cube, some lemon juice, so you can use fresh lemon too. And finally some cider vinegar. So that's all the ingredients. Shall we get cooking?
Let's go.
What's the first thing we're going to need?
So to make it quick and easy, we're going to have a bowl for the vegetables and a bowl for the scraps, the peeling.
Need as well a knife, obviously, and a vegetable peeler. So big or small?
Small.
Let's begin. So what's the first thing we need to do?
We're going to peel the onion.
Okay, me or you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it makes me cry.
I actually think I want the small knife.
Do you want the small?
So you can put that in the scraps. There we go. So why do you like the soup then?
Because it's very quick and easy and it's packed with all the nutrients that you need. Also, it's got the rainbow, it's got some green, it's got some orange.
We can now halve this, so I'll start doing that. And maybe, do you want to start peeling the carrots actually?
Yep.
Speed things up. For these onions, do we slice them or are we going to chop them into chunks? Like how big?
We're going to make them into small squares.
Okay, so like basically like dice the onion,
yeah,
nice and small.
Excellent. Please don't judge my cooking style. I just say these carrots are really knobbly. I'll do the garlic.
Very good.
You stole my knife.
Oh yeah, sorry.
So we're going to make them into thin slices.
When do you like to have this meal then?
Generally at lunchtime. It's quite filling. It's nice spring meal as well.
I've done that, so I've cut all the carrots up into little circles. Just cut these up and we'll get straight back to you. I'm just going to put those veg in a bowl so we have more room before we move on to the kale.
And if you don't like touching vegetables, get your sister to do it.
We're going to have to take the stems off this, so how would you do that? Okay, so you hold it like this and you pull it down like that. Basically, you get the really chunky stem off and pop it. So it's going to cut this up. Oh dear, it's getting a bit crazy now. We're going to also move on to draining the butter beans. So let's open this. That was easy.
Muscle!
I was panicking. So, pour these in. Oh. Not gonna lie, they do smell a bit. I'm just going to take this to the sink and we're going to wash the liquid off the beans. So the last thing we're going to do is chop the sun-dried tomatoes up, and we need 7 sun-dried tomatoes. You said something about the oil?
So we're going to use the oil to fry the vegetable because it tastes better.
I knew it would. Yes! What is it with jars? I have no idea. You can start chopping them up.
So we're going to go for like thin slices.
All done. Let's get on to frying and cooking the rest of the soup.
First of all, we're going to put it on a medium-low heat, and we're going to fry the vegetables in a sun-dried tomato oil. Let the oil heat until it's nice and sizzling before we add the vegetables. Fry the onions and the garlic first.
Go in together. Oh, can you hear that? Hear that sizzle? How long do we have to fry the onion and garlic for?
Say low and slow, so let's go 5 to 10 minutes. Next we add the carrots.
So before we do that, you want to make sure the onions have gone like translucent, kind of golden colour, and you can really smell the aroma of the onions cooking.
I would say we cook it for about another 5 minutes, and occasionally we stir it. So next up we add the kale.
That'll probably wilt down really quickly, won't it?
Yes, a little mix so it doesn't burn.
Perfect. Oh, it smells really good, not gonna lie. And here is our little precious. Aww.
Next up we're adding the sun-dried tomato, and we're also adding all of the herbs so that the herbs will infuse into the vegetables. So we're adding 1 teaspoon of the parsley and the sage, and we're adding half a teaspoon of the basil, oregano and thyme. And then you just give it a stir. Here, I forgot to say, we need 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Shh, don't tell me.
Now Kitty's added all the herbs, we're going to move on to the butter beans. So we're going to grab our butter beans, to pop those in and give it a little mix. Now that it's been cooking for probably a couple more minutes, you'd say, we're going to add the lemon juice. So you need a teaspoon of lemon juice. We're going to add the stock cube, so let's crumble that in.
Now we add half a teaspoon of cider vinegar. So we need 3 cups, 750 millilitres of soy milk.
And while she's doing that, I'm also going to add about 250 millilitres of boiling water.
To add more water, feel free if you prefer like a runnier consistency, but I would say no more than 250 millilitres.
It smells really nice. That is a really nice recipe. So how long does this have to boil for?
So I would say about 15 to 20 minutes.
And so 15 to 20 minutes to get a really delicious lunch. I am so excited for this. Okay, so we'll see you in 15 to 20 minutes and we'll show you the end result. Here it comes. Oh, it looks so nice. Considering you dislike cooking, this looks amazing. So, shall we dish it up?
Yep.
So, shall we go and eat this?
Let's go.
Let's go. It's nice. So let's find out the ingredients. Okay, so let's see what's in this soup. It's easier. We can hear. You got a mic by your. Shall we just have some music? There'll be music. These sun-dried tomatoes, and you said something about the oil. Why
we're going to use the oil to fry honeycomb.